This is one of our lasers that we have at Accent Smile Center, and this is called Smart Perio laser. Deka Dental Lasers is the manufacturer of this. This laser is very specific to treating periodontal disease, peri-implantitis, which just is a fancy dental term for if you've got the gum disease around, periodontal disease around an implant. So this is very specific to treat cases like that. And then the other thing that this does is it has a handpiece, which is on right now, and it's called HILT, High Intensity Laser Therapy. And so it is able to treat inflammation, regenerate tissues, cartilage, bone, and everything. And so this laser kind of is dual fold with those types of applications there. We'll use this laser as a part of helping to treat patients who have TMD or TMJ disorders. Again, it does produce heat, and so it has a very immediate temperature sensation that they will feel. But again, it's going to decrease inflammation, decrease pain, swelling, complications in general with muscular issues for TMD patients, as well as anything in the actual TMJ, the temporal mandibular joint. And then if there has been damage done to cartilage, to ligaments, to bone, it can actually help to regenerate based on the laser that it is and based on the way that it's able to improve and stimulate cells from all of those different levels in the body. I guess if you're in the laser arena, there are other lasers that do LLLB, so low-level laser therapy, right? That really gets at decreasing inflammation, but it's not able to, at that wavelength, the way that modality is, do any regenerative procedure or improvement for bone cells and cartilage and things like that. And so that's the main difference with this ability. This has been researched for over a couple of decades in Italy, where this has been going on, where the Deka laser company is founded. There's a lot of research that's gone into it for a long time. But this is the only laser that can do that at this point. The HILT High Intensity Laser Therapy does not hurt. It actually feels good. Stimulation that it's able to do can decrease the discomfort, pain, swelling immediately. I mean, and it's literally, if somebody comes in and they're like, oh, I'm having problems right here, and they point to muscle and jaw joint. By doing that, it goes and penetrates deep enough underneath the skin into the muscles and the tissues that it can improve the discomfort level immediately for patients. And so it's a very immediate effect of feeling better, and the healing process starts to begin, but there's no discomfort with it. Treatment is usually for like a 3-week period of time, okay? And so you want to stagger it so you're not hitting too much laser energy in, because what it does is it signals your body to turn on certain cascade of events in it to stimulate the healing and process in the body. So really, you're going to do 3 weeks of treatment. For instance, if somebody came in with like TMD issues, 3 weeks of treatment. The first week you're going to do alternating days, second week alternating days, and then end up on the last week. But the goal is to get somewhere in the arena of 7 to 10 treatments in consecutively over weeks. Implant complications. The more people that are placing implants, the more implants that are out there, there's going to be more complications, right? And so that's one of the unique things that this laser is able to do, is to treat the disease process where we've had bone loss around implants or inflammation around implants, like we normally would with periodontal disease or gum disease around our natural teeth. And so it can treat that for implants. It can also treat for natural teeth. And the one thing, again, is it kills bacteria, number one. Number two is it gets out all the unhealthy gum tissue. But number three, it can actually stimulate the body through this laser wavelength to regenerate and actually to get some enhanced bone growth, right? So when we've had bone loss, generally we think of once you've lost bone, there's no help for it. And so this laser can do that, can actually stimulate the ability for our bodies to regenerate bone and improve the gum disease, the bone loss around there, the attachment loss around natural teeth and implants. And so that's kind of one of the specialty things for this that we use it for in our practice.